Hey guys, it's Angie. Welcome back to my channel. Happy Easter. I hope you guys are safe and doing well. So for today's video, you guys, I want to make some of our favorite dishes that we like to have for Easter. Normally, my family and my husband's family like to get together and make a nice big barbecue, and one of the best things that we like to make are obviously cheeseburgers, hot dogs, macaroni salad, have some cupcakes, but because of social distancing, we cannot do that this year, but it is not a reason for us not to go ahead and make our favorite dishes. So for that, I want to use my air fryer to make some burger for us because I don't have a grill. And obviously I'm going to go ahead and make the macaroni salad, and I did buy some cupcakes at the store because I don't want to make a bunch of cupcakes just for my husband and I. They're going to go bad. So if you guys want to see how it is that I make these cheeseburgers and the macaroni salad, also I'm going to make some fries. Stay tuned and watch. Thanks, guys. So here are the ingredients that I'm going to use to make my macaroni salad. I'm going to use 1 cup of sour cream, 1 cup of mayonnaise, some salt, pepper, a cup of chopped white onion, some large macaroni elbow pasta, and some ham. I use turkey ham, you guys, but you can go ahead and use any ham you like. That's just the ham I like to use. So let me show you guys how I use all these ingredients together. Ready? Okay guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and start heating up some water so that it can boil and I can add my pasta to it. I'm gonna add some salt to this, and yes, you guys, you wanna add plenty of it. Like, it has to taste like ocean water. If you ever had ocean water before. I've had, not by choice, but anyway. So go ahead and add salt and wait for it to boil so that you can add your macaroni pasta. But while we wait for this to boil, we're gonna go ahead and chop the onion up and the ham. Okay. We're gonna go ahead and chop the onion into like little pieces, like chopped onion should look like what you put on a hot dog as a topping. That's how it should look like. So let's get started. Now that the onion is chopped, I'm gonna go ahead and chop the ham. Alright guys, now that we chopped our onion and our ham, let me show you guys how I add the sour cream and the mayonnaise. So what I like to do is measure a cup of each and then put them together in the same container and mix it. That's how I like to add them to the salad. I don't like to add one by one. I just don't. There's no reason why. This is just the way I like to do it. So let's measure a cup of each. Now that they're both in here, we're gonna go ahead and just mix them both together. Mix them until they're well blended. Okay guys, so our water has begun to boil, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the macaroni. I'm gonna add most of the bag. Oops. I'm gonna add most of the bag in there because I wanna make them as much as I can, and we're just gonna go ahead and let that cook. Alright guys, so we're going to go ahead and finish up the macaroni salad because the pasta is done, and add your macaroni to the bowl. I like to go ahead and dump in, not dump it, but go ahead and put in your ham. My hands are clean, you guys. I washed them. Then we're gonna go ahead and add the onion. And not finally. Then we're gonna add our little mixture of the sour cream and the mayonnaise. Get it all in there. All of it, all of it. Then we're gonna add some black pepper, cracked black pepper. If you don't have it fresh, you guys, don't worry, you can use the ground black pepper. It works just as good. Oh, you guys, it smells so good. Okay, now once you have that, why am I putting this in the sink? Anyway, sorry. Go ahead and mix it. So, and you do like in a folding motion, you guys, so that you don't break the pasta. And then you just do this until it is completely covered in the mayonnaise and the sour cream. I'm gonna go ahead and start our burgers in the air fryer. So I bought my patties pre-made at the grocery store, you guys. They're 80% lean, 20% fat. I think that's what it said. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn this on to 350 degrees, and we're gonna set the timer at 8 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna put 10 minutes just because I like my meat well cooked, but you can cook your patties to whatever temperature, whatever you like. So I'm gonna go ahead and add one. I did already season them with salt and pepper, so we'll put them in here. Okay, since my burgers are in the air fryer, I'm gonna go ahead and put my french fries in the oven at 420 for 22 minutes. That's what it says on my bag. Okay. So this is how I make my burgers, you guys. I add mixed spring greens, 50-50, which is spring greens and baby spinach, tomato, onion, sharp cheddar cheese. No, wait, this is mild cheddar cheese, but yeah. Ketchup, some mayonnaise, and I like to put a pickle on the side. For my buns, I like to use sourdough and brioche. Doesn't really matter. I just like those two a lot. I also like sesame, but they didn't have any at the store. So I'm gonna go ahead and assemble these and then put some french fries and some macaroni salad, and we'll be ready to enjoy this. Alright guys, here are our plates. They're served and ready to be enjoyed and devoured by hungry people. Thank you guys so much for watching. Oh yes, you guys, I forgot to mention, I do like to toast my bread. I just like to pop it on a toaster really quick so it can get nice crispy and warm. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys had a good Thanksgiving. What am I saying? A happy Easter, and take care. Bye.